Samsung might do with the Galaxy S23's design, especially for the top and ultra model. It is actually something of a departure from the appearance of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which certainly looks more somber in comparison to this flashy and glittering S23 Ultra concept. Apart from the golden lick of paint that has been applied to the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra rendering, there is also further mention of the rumored 200 megapixel main camera sensor, a nod to the possible presence of the presumed Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and of course the S Pen lives on this next generation flagship smartphone. The S23's curved display is even curvier than the S22's screen, and it works here, although in reality it might not be so practical. The content creator has decided to give the golden Galaxy S23 Ultra a bit of a bump for its camera system, which would be a huge change for Samsung if it followed suit in any other form. While the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus have metallic surrounds for the camera equipment, the S22 Ultra was designed in a way that eliminated an overall array housing but still left the individual sensors jutting out a little bit from the frame. The Galaxy S23 series may make an appearance in February 2023. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.